All right, this is a great song, Lead Me to the Cross, key of D. It's written in 4/4 time signature, so I'm going to teach you a basic rhythm that kind of follows suit with that, just an easier way to say that. Okay, so we have a D chord, we have a G chord, and we have an A chord. And then we also have 2 minor chords. So we have a B minor, which is B, D, F sharp. And then we have F sharp minor, which is like an upside down triangle. So you can see F sharp, A, C sharp. See that it does the top, and there we go. All right, so let's go again. D chord, which is a triangle, D, F sharp, A. And then we have a G, straight line, just pretty simple. And then A, C sharp, E. And then we have our B minor, B, D, F sharp, and then our F sharp minor. All right, so when our right hand is playing our chords, our left hand is going to be playing the single note of the chord. So here we go for B minor, just B in the bass. F sharp minor, and then G, and then D. I'm actually going to probably play it this way. I'm going to pick up the A, D, F sharp because it's just an easier way to transition from a G to a D in the song instead of going G, D. That's called an inverted chord. I love using inverted chords because it simplifies your music so much so you don't have to be hopping all over the place. All right, so G, and then D, and then you're real close to your A. All right, so let's just go through that. B minor, F sharp minor, G, and then we're gonna play the D like this, and then the A. And that's the verses, and then your chorus is just a G, and then I'm gonna play the D like this because it's real close to my G. And then I'm gonna play the A regular. And that's pretty simple. And then you do have, oh, you also have an E minor that's snuck in. E minor is just E, G, B. And you're only gonna play that, I think, in the chorus there. All right, so let's just go through in the ratio that I'm gonna teach you. It's together, right, together, right, together, right, together. And it's just a really nice way to kind of play chording in the most simple form. And I go into more detail on ways to fancy your music in my course. So make sure to check that out in the description below. It's a really amazing piece. Really amazing style to play that gives you immediate access to pick up anything that you've always dreamt of playing. So let's go ahead and just start and we'll plunk through it. I'm going to play it top to bottom so that you could follow along with me. And like I think I've mentioned, the description will have the printout so that you can check that out below. Savior, I come, quiet my soul. Remember redemption's hill, where your blood was spilled for my ransom, and everything I once held dear, I count it all as lost. Lead me to the cross where your love poured out, and bring me to my knees, Lord. I lay me down and rid me of myself. I belong to you. Oh, lead me to the cross. You were as I, tempted and tried, human. The Word became flesh, bore my sin and death. Now you're risen. Everything I once held dear, I count it all as lost. Lead me to the cross where your love poured out, and bring me to my knees, Lord. I lay me down and rid me of myself. I belong to you. Oh, lead me Lead me to the cross where your love poured out. Bring me to my knees, Lord, I lay me down. Rid me of myself, I belong to you. Oh, lead me to the cross. Lead me to the cross where your love poured out. Bring me to my knees, Lord, I lay me down. Rid me of myself, I belong